my parents and my lovely children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy and hope you all are practicing all the work given to you. So parents, today I am here to talk about language. Why language is important? Language is a means of communication. Language can be Hindi, English, Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi, Bengali. It can be a foreign languages like French, Russian, Spanish. It can be any language. But here I will talk about English language because it's also our medium of learning in school. Okay, so in order to learn a language, what are the basic things which we need to teach the children of kindergarten, right? So in order to learn a language, first we teach our children alphabets, right? We begin with alphabets, that is A for apple till Z for zebra. Okay, so in this way, first we begin with alphabets. We all know that there are 26 alphabets. Then we start forming small words, and then this words constructs slowly it constructs a sentences in the next classes. Okay, but the basic things to learn a language is important that first the child should be very thorough with the alphabets, and then we will move towards phonics. What is phonology? Phonology is a sound word which goes in a very expressive way so that each child can understand the meaning of that particular word. So we need that our children should learn phonics very thoroughly. So how it comes? A for apple, a. B for ball, ba. C for cat, k. D for dog, da. And so on it goes till Z for zebra. Okay, now there are two main basic things which we need to learn. So what are those? Those are vowels and consonants. So in the same way we also learn in Hindi, right? We learn two languages together, Hindi and English, and in many states third regional languages also they learn. So all the languages we need to learn vowels and consonants. So we call in Hindi swar and vyanjan. Why we learn swar? Why we learn sound words? Because sound words gives a meaning to the particular word. When we speak about or we tell about vowels, we all know that there are 5 vowels. How many vowels? Out of 26 alphabets, there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So which are those 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So we need to teach our children in the same way. There are 5 fingers, okay? Children knows that we have 5 fingers. So A, E, I, O, U. And how does this sound works? A for apple, A for ant, a. In the same way, E for egg and E for elephant, a. In the same way, I for ink pot, I for ice cream, e. In the same way, O for orange, O for orange, o. U for umbrella and U for uncle, a. Got it? So in the same way, we form words with this vowels. Okay, so now it becomes very difficult for the children to remember the vowels initially in the playgroup and nursery class, because these vowels are the things which easily the children do not understand. So how we will teach them? Because Why it is necessary to learn vowels and consonants? Because unless and until children are not thorough with this, it will be very difficult, or they'll be struggling to read any word or a sentence. Okay, so here I'll tell you how you can, how you can teach your children so that they will remember. Sometimes what happens, there are certain things we need to teach children through various concepts are to be taught in the way that children easily grasp in their mind, so that they remember. So how do we do it? Either we teach through a story, or through playway method, or through singing method. But here I'll teach vowels through story. So how? Here we go. We begin with the first letter, A for ant. Here A for ant. And the second vowel is E. So here A and E. A for ant, E for elephant. Elephant and ant. Ant and elephants were very good friends. Right? And one day they planned to go to eat ice cream. What did they plan? They planned to eat ice cream. So they looked for many flavors and they selected a flavor. Which flavor? O for orange. They selected orange flavor. Okay? And where did they sit and ate the ice cream? Because it was raining. So they sat under umbrella. Okay, so they sat under umbrella and enjoyed their ice cream. So dear parents, this way if you will teach your child, I am 100% sure that they will never forget what are vowels. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.